Friends, almost everyone has had the thought at some point, what if I could build my own app? But if you've tried using AI app builders before, you probably noticed something frustrating. Building with AI is supposed to be easier, yet in practice it often isn't. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, I want to show you an AI app building platform that takes a different approach. It's called MeDo, and instead of pushing you straight into code or complex setup, it helps you turn an idea into a real, working application step by step. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Alright folks, let's start with the basics. MeDo is a platform that lets you build full applications using natural language. You describe what you want to create, and the platform gradually turns that description into a runnable app with structure, logic, and a usable interface. What's important here is that MeDo isn't just focused on generating code. The goal is to help you actually finish an application, not stop halfway through the process. Instead of fixing broken output after the fact, you stay involved earlier, shaping how the product should work before it's built. Mates, this approach makes MeDo especially useful for people who want clarity and control without getting stuck in technical details. Whether you're validating an idea, building a small internal tool, or creating a real product, the platform is designed to move from concept to something you can actually use and share. Friends, when you land on the homepage, everything starts with a single prompt. You're not dragging components or assembling blocks. You're simply explaining what you want to build in plain language, focusing on the idea rather than the setup. Right below the prompt area, you'll notice a few suggested examples. Guys, if you don't have a clear idea yet, you can click one of them and instantly generate an app. It's a quick way to see how the platform works without starting from scratch. If you scroll a bit further, you'll see the marketplace. These are real applications built by other users, already published and live. Mates, this makes it clear that MeDo isn't about demos or mockups. What you see here are finished products that people actually use. Coming back to the prompt area, there are several built-in options that make the process smoother. You can add visual references, attach requirement documents, or guide the generation in more detail. You can also extend the app with plugins or use voice input if that feels more natural than typing. Guys, to keep this example simple, I'm starting with a very practical idea – a task management app with login, a dashboard, and basic task actions. Once the idea is clear, that's all the platform needs to move forward. After sending the prompt, MeDo doesn't jump straight into building the app. Instead, it first creates a requirements document. At this stage, you still have full control. You can review the logic, adjust features, and refine how the app should work before anything is generated. From there, folks, the platform takes that refined description and turns it into a clear, structured plan. You're not coding at this point. You are reviewing what the application is supposed to become, making sure everything makes sense before moving on. What matters here is that this document stays editable. If something feels off, you can change it early. This keeps you in control and avoids fixing problems after the app is already built. Friends, once the requirements look right, you move on to generation. MeDo takes the document and builds the full stack in the background. After a short wait, you're dropped into a real project environment, where the app is already taking shape as a functional interface. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. This isn't a mockup, it's a working application. You also get access to a clean, well-structured codebase if you ever want to go deeper. At this point, your idea has turned into something real that you can continue refining. Folks, once the app is generated, you're taken straight into a live dashboard. This is a real interactive product you can already use. You can add a task, confirm it in a couple of clicks, and see it appear instantly. From there, you can mark tasks as completed, watch the status update right away, or remove them when they are no longer needed. Everything responds smoothly, just like you'd expect from a finished application. Mates, at the same time, the project structure and code are available in the background. If you want to tweak the behavior or adjust the interface later, you can jump into the files and make changes there. When everything looks right, you can preview the app as an end user. And once it's ready, publishing is the final step. You get a public link, and if needed, you can connect a custom domain. From a single prompt to a live shareable app, the entire process stays clear, controlled, and focused on actually finishing the product. So friends, if you have tried other AI builders like Replit, Lovable or similar tools, MeDo feels different. Most platforms focus on helping you start projects or generate code. This one is built to help you actually finish and launch a real application, starting from a simple idea. What stands out is how much the platform handles for you by default. You're not stitching together separate tools for the front-end, back-end, or hosting. The process moves step by step from idea to a deployable product, which makes it especially useful if you want results without long setup. Is it worth paying for? That depends on your goal. If you're just experimenting, there are other options. But if you want to turn ideas into real, usable apps you can ship and share, MeDo makes a strong case. Mates, feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find a nice bonus there. Use my link or invite code within 24 hours to get 300 free credits and try MeDo for yourself. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.